Today we are with you with captioning technique using artificial intelligence and through Clipchamp site. First, go to the website app.clipchamp.com. Click on Create a new video. Import your desired video into Clipchamp. Click the Add to Timeline button. On the right side, click on Captions. Then select Transcribe Media. Specify the language for the captions here. The AI will start generating captions. Play the video to check the accuracy of the generated captions.
Trees first appeared on Earth more than 380 million years ago. But what do we know of them? They have changed the face of continents. From arid rock, they have...
Download the created captions. Next, open Adobe Premiere. Import your video into the timeline, and import the downloaded caption file in the Project tab. Add the captions to the timeline. Let's review the result together.
Trees first appeared on Earth more than 380 million years ago. But what do we know of them?
Open the captions. Adjust the captions for better accuracy. Let's review the results again.
Trees first appeared on Earth more than 380 million years ago. But what do we know of them?
Select all captions and edit them in the Essential Graphics tab. For example, choose the font here. Then, adjust the font size. Center the text and choose left to right. Adjust the letter spacing as needed. Specify their placement. Change the text color as desired. Add a stroke to the text. Set the background color and its settings. Finally, adjust the shadow settings. Let's review the final result.
Trees first appeared on Earth more than 380 million years ago. But what do we know of them?
For more tutorials, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next videos.